Hi, this is Moniruzzaman. Welcome to my math channel, Maths with Masud. Uh, as you know, uh, we started the paper for the Maths October 23. Paper 1, we are doing question number 6. So if you see the questions here, uh, this is the diagram. Okay, this is actually trigonometry maths, trigonometric 3D. This is actually trigonometric 3D. Trigonometry trigonometry 3D maths. Okay, so in this diagram, if you see the diagram, this is the right pyramid of the horizontal square base. Horizontal square base means these bases ABCD is square. So if this one is x, this should be x. This should be x and this one x. And another information given here, AB slant length, AB, BV, BC, and BD. These four adjacent length always be equal because of horizontal base is square. If it is the rectangle, so opposite sides, opposite triangular face should be equal. If it is the square base pyramid, so it means all the slant height, all the slant length actually will be equal, and every single triangular face also equal. So in the context of the mass, this AB, VV, CV, and DV, all the values equals to x. So this is very, very important information. And now O is the point of the intersection of the diagonals of the the base. So look at the diagonal. This is the diagonal AC and this is the diagonal BD. Diagonal means you have to join the corner point. And these two diagonal intersect at the point O. This is the point O. And now V is the vertex V. Vertex means corner point. Vertex V of the pyramid is vertically above O. So it should be vertically above like this. And the question asks you to find the VO equals to root 2 by 2x. We need to put this on. And this vertical height actually is the height of the pyramid. And this height with base AO is a perpendicular, right? And question asks you to prove it. So first you have to prove it. So if you see the diagram, VO is the vertical height, AC is the diagonal length, and AO is the half of the diagonal AC, and then you will get the right angle triangle. If you get the AO and if you get AB already given here x, so you can make easily VO. So this is the method we need to find out VO first. So for VO, first write A here, and if you make a diagram here, P, and this is the O, and this AO is a horizontal base. And remember, this is the C. And if you join slant 1, AB, and this is 90 degree. So this AB is given x. So actually we don't know AO. So first we need to find AC, then we will get AO. So first AC. And look at the AC here in the diagram. AC is a diagonal, right? This is the diagonal and this one is 90 degree. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. So if you see the diagram here, like this is the square, sorry. So you should draw the square here. So this is the square. A, C, A, B, C, D. Okay. And this is actually AC. And this is 90 degree. So AB equals to x and BC equals to x. So first you have to find out the x using the Pythagoras theorem because this is the right angle triangle. So you can write x square plus x square over root, and it will be 2x square over root, and it will be root 2x centimeter. So this is AC. So AC actually half of, AO equals to half of AC. So now you can write AO. A equals to half into AC. Because two diagonal meets at the point, and this point divide diagonals equally. That means bisect equally. So it will be half. So half multiply AC value is root 2x, and then you'll get the answer root 2 by 2x. So this is AO. Okay. Now, if you see the diagram, you'll get AO and you'll get AB and you'll get easily VO. So I can draw it again here. This is 90 degree. This is O, AO, this is V. And we need to find BO. So the formula is Pythagoras formula, AB square equals to AO square plus OB square. So AB represent x here. So you can write x square equals to AO root 2 by 2 x whole square plus OB square. And now x square equals to, it will be how much? Root 2 square, that is 2. So you can take it calculator, is better. Okay. So root 2 by 2 square, and it will be 1 by 2. In the calculator, you will get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 x square plus OB square. So now OB square equals to x square minus half x square. So x square coefficient 1. So 1 minus half, that is half. So you can write half x square equals to OB square. So OB, it should be root, right? 1 by 2 x square. And finally, if you take calculator, root 1 by 2, it will be how much? Root 2 by 2. So you will get root 2 by 2 and root x square, it will be x. So we will get the OB. I think, look at the proving, root 2 by 2x. We have proved. So we have proved OB equals to root 2 by 2x. Okay, right here shown. Okay, so this one proving, I think, the difficult one. And the second part is find in degree the size of the angle ABC. Size of the angle ABC. So if you see the original diagram, ABC, AVC, that means we need to find this one. So if you see the diagram here, I just draw the diagram here, B. So this is actually horizontal base, right? AC is a horizontal base. And this one is B. And this one is B. So ABC, we need to find this angle. AB equals to x, B bar. BC also x, and AC already we made this. So AC equals to how much? AC equals to, look at the A. AC equals to root 2x. Look at the AC, root 2x. So x equals to root 2x. Okay, now this is not right angle triangle, so you can use the cosine rule. So using the cosine rule, I think you know the formula cosine rule, very, very important to find the angle and length. When the triangle is not right angle triangle, you can use cosine rule and sine rule. So you can use cosine rule because all the lengths available. Find all the lengths available in a triangle, you can use cosine rule to find the angle. So cos ABC equals to, the formula is x square plus, okay, two adjacent side square addition minus the angle opposite side, that is root 2 x whole square divided by 2 multiply x into x. Okay, now, so if you calculate x square plus x square, that is 2x square minus, okay, root 2, root 2 square, that means 2x square here, and divided by 2x square. So 2x square cancel, it will be 0 here. So 0 divided by 2x square, it means 0. So cos ABC equals to 0. And how to make the angle here? So if you want to make angle ABC, that will be cos, will bring in the right side, will be inverse 0. So cos inverse 0 in the calculator, how much you get? Cos inverse 0. And remember, make sure you have a degree in the calculator, degree form, and it will be 90 degree. So angle ABC equals to how much? 90 degree. And question asks you to find the angles. So 90 degrees. So this is the answer of B. So we have made the answer B. That is, question asks you to find out the angle AVC. Now C. Find the degree on decimal place, the size of the angle between plane BAB and plane BDC. So if you angle between the plane, two plane, BAB and BDC. Look at the BAB. BAB, this plane, triangular plane, and BDC, this plane. So how to make this angle? So between two plane, the common plane is base. So you have to make a perpendicular line B to AB, and you have to make perpendicular line B to DC. So if you consider this point is M is the midpoint because this is the equilateral triangle, and B and this is also midpoint. And you have to, if you join B and here, and you will get the angle between the plane. This is the angle between the plane. These two perpendicular lines represent angle between the plane. So the angle is MBN. Okay, so this is the required angle you need to find out first. So first, actually, BM and BN will be equal. Okay, so first you have to find out the BM. So if you draw the diagram here for C, this is the triangle A B B, right? And this is actually BM. So we need to find BM. So this is the X, and this AB represent how much? If you see the diagram, this AB also X. Okay, this AB also X. So how to make BM? So this is 90 degree, and this AM represent AB. M is the midpoint of the AB, so it will be X by 2. Remember one thing: if you get the triangle is a isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, you can make perpendicular line from the point vertex from the point B, and this perpendicular line bisect the base equally. But if the triangle is not isosceles or equilateral triangle, you can make perpendicular, but you cannot say this perpendicular line bisect the base equally. You cannot say. This concept only applicable for the isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. So if you get the AB, and if you know AM, you can get easily BM. So BM is equals to x square minus hypo square minus x by 2 whole square, right? So in the calculator, you'll get x square minus x square by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4, x square over root. And finally, you'll get root 3 by root 4 is 2, and root x square should be x. So the BM is root 3 by 2x. And if you see the original diagram here, the same way you will get the BN, and BN should be equal because it's all about the equal, all the dimensions are equal. So you'll get the same as BN. And MN equals to how much? MN equals to actually X. This one X, so this should be X. So you'll get all three lengths. So now first you have to draw the triangle, record triangle here. The triangle is like this. This is MN base, and this one is B. So we need to find this angle, right? M, B, N. And BM equals to root 3 by 2x, and BN also same, right? Root 3 by 2x. So you can write also BN. And MN represent x. And we need to find this angle again cosine rule because this is not the right angle triangle. So cos m b n equals to, so root 3 by 2x square plus root 3 by 2x whole square minus opposite and length x square divided by 2 into root 3 by 2x and multiply root 3 by 2x. Okay, and we need to find this angle. Okay, now this is the calculations. Very carefully, whenever you do the calculation, very carefully. So root 3 by 2 is square, it will be root 3 by 2 in the calculator. How much you get? Root 3 by 2 square, it means 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 x square plus 3 by 4 x square minus x square, and these two cancel. So root 3 into root 3, that is 3, in denominator 2, and it should be x square. So in the calculator, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1, it will be half. So half x square divided by 3 by 2 x square. So x square cancelled, and look, this denominator cancel, and you will get in the numerator 1 and denominator 3. Okay, and now you can make the angle MBN equals to cos inverse 1 by 3. The cos inverse 1 by 3, cos inverse 1 by 3, okay, root 3 by 2, so root 3 by 2 square, so 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1, it will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, root 3 into root 3, 3 and by 2, and it will be cos inverse, sorry, cos inverse 1 by 3, that will be 70.5 degree, 70.5. And question asks you to make one decimal place. So answer is 70.5 degree, and give the degree sign. So this is the answer of the MBN. Okay. And the last part of the questions, the volume of the pyramid is 200 centimeter cube. And look at the formula given. Volume of the pyramid equals to 1 by 3 into base area into height. And question asks you to find the value of x. Okay, so first write the formula here. Volume of pyramid, that is the part D, remember. D. So volume of pyramid equals to 1 by 3 multiply base area into height. Okay, so volume represent 200. 1 by 3 multiply base. Look at the base. Base area represent actually ABCD, right? ABCD. Okay, ABCD square. So square area equals to x square. And remember, height represent BO. Already made this. This BO root 2 by 2x. We have proved this one, the first part of the questions. So 1 by 3 into base area, that is the x square, multiply height is root 2 by 2x. I can check it out. Is it correct or wrong? Height is so height equals to, yeah, height equals to root 2 by 2. So correct. Okay, and now we need to find the value of x. And now in in left side 200, right side x square into x, that will be x cube. In denominator, multiply root 2. In numerator, 3 to the 6. Okay. So if you make x cube subject, so it will be, you know, root 2 x cube, and it will be 6 into 200. That means 1200. And x cube equals to 1200 and divide by root 2. And x equals to cube root of 1200 divided by root 2. So in the calculator, this 3 will become cube root. So cube root of this 1200 divided by root 2. So in the calculator, you will get 9.47. If you make two decimal place, 9.47. Is there any information given here? What person asked you to find out? Is it one digit? Three significant number, very, very important. 3 SF. So it will be 3 SF, 9.47. So x equals to 9.47, 3 significant figure. So this is the answer. So that's it. It is a little bit harder because of 3D math. And so thank you very much to watching the video. And this is my very small channel, and please you have to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and you'll get all latest informations. And also you have to write down the comments if you did not understand anything in this math. Thank you very much.